this video, we will discuss few things about points and lines. Let us see how many lines can be passed through this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as many as lines you can draw. Infinite number of lines can be drawn passing through this single point. That is why this point and these lines are given some special names. Let us understand with an example. When 3 or more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. In this figure, line L, line M and line N pass through a common point O. The point O in this case is called point of concurrence. Let us see one more example. Observe these lines. Line AB, line CD, line EF and line GH meet at a single point. These lines are concurrent lines, but line IJ is not concurrent to them. These lines meet at point O. The point O in this case is called point of concurrence. Here we have learnt concurrent lines and concurrent point. Now look at these 2 points. Let us see how many lines can be drawn by these 2 points. One and only one line can be drawn through any 2 distinct points. These 2 points are always collinear. Look at these 3 points, point A, point B and point C. Let us draw a line passing through these 3 points. 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on a single straight line. Look at these 3 points. Let us try to draw a single line passing through all 3 points. You can observe here the lines passing through only 2 points. Here point A, point B and point C all are not on the same line. Points which do not lie on the same line are said to be non-collinear points. Let us see one more example. Look at this figure. In this figure, point A, point B, point C and point D are collinear points because only one line L passing through all of them. In this figure, point A, point B, point C and point D are non-collinear points because they do not lie on same line. So, we have understood collinear and non-collinear points.